Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. I really thank you for viewing my vlogs. I've been encouraged through your views from in my vlogs, and yeah, today welcome back to my channel. It's a view vlog and a new route, in fact, from Hyderabad to Indore. It's through Indigo. I'm flying to Indore with my entire family. We are going to, from there we'll be going to Ujjain and Omkareshwar, two famous Jyotirlings in the state of Madhya Pradesh in central India. Hence, today I'm going to the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad, and I'll show you what all we're going to do there and how the journey is going to be. Let's go. Well, folks, you can see this, right? You can see the arrival of Mohammad Siraj, who has won the World T20 Cup earlier this on 29th of June, and he's arrived in Hyderabad today from Mumbai after a long celebration post victory. Therefore, you can see all the fans packed over there around him. They're clicking his shoots. Oh, we cannot see him as yet. No, man. They've blocked him. Fans have, surrounded him. Oh my god. It's a good sign for us today. Chak de India, as India won the World Cup. Hey guys, you can see me. I'm with my boarding card. I'm done with the security check as well. Finally, you have seen me in the new route that is from Hyderabad to Indore. It's very different from all vlogs. As you have seen, majority of my vlogs have been traveling from Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, and yeah. I don't think you guys need an introduction over here. WH Smith has good partnerships with the GMR owned airports. Karachi Bakery, Almond House, good stalls of Hyderabad. All these stuff over here. Let's go! Same new view of the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and now I'm going to the launch. Now, as you have plenty of time, my flight is at 9:05 p.m. and I don't think you guys need any introduction here. Oh my god. Let's go. Gate number 6. Ready to go to Indore. Finally, after a long delay, the boarding has started, folks, to Indore. It has been delayed here at the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad due to bad weather. As you know, this is July and it's time for monsoons. The flight got delayed. Yes. Oh my god. CHQ to board the aircraft. And boarding has started. So this is the aircraft that will be flying us to Indore. It's Indigo Airbus A320 again. I think it's new, and the flight has been delayed. It's gonna take some time for us to settle down. Family of 8 people are going to Indore for a Mahakal trip. Hence, take time boarding. You can see the proof here, the reasons for the delay. As July is monsoon season in India, the flight has been delayed from Chennai and landed late at the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. aircraft. It's time for us to settle down in our respective seats, and it's been a long delay. First time we're landing at Central India, that's Indore. 14. My seat for today. Just settle down and we'll speak. Folks, all settled down. Let's go. We'll be landing at the Devi Ahilya by Holkar International Airport Indore in another 1.5 hours from now. And yeah, let's go.
First Officer Karthik. In the cabin, we have cabin crew headed by Neelam. On behalf of entire crew of 6E621, we welcome you on this evening service to Indore. Flight time to Indore is about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Fully ready for departure. Thank you all for choosing to fly with Indigo. Namaskar. 8 to 10 minutes delay in a pushback out of Hyderabad because of congestion at holding point for our departure. Regret for the inconvenience, however, they are the control of airline. And for your information, so we're expecting a lot of weather in and around Shamshabad. During our initial climb phase, we shall be keeping seatbelts on. We're expecting a lot of turbulence during our departure. Requesting all passengers to remain seated whenever seatbelt signs have been switched on. This is for your safety and safety for the passengers. Once again, thanking you all for choosing to fly with Indigo. Namaskar.
थोड़ी 1 घंटे 30 मिनटों में पूरी की जाएगी। सुनान के मुख्य विमान एक कप्तान मिले थे, जहाँ कप्तान कार्तिक हैं, श्रेयांशा, साक्षी, श्रुति और नीलम आपके मुख्य कार्पेटर। हम हिंदी, अंग्रेजी और मराठी बोल सकते हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा से लेकर फर्स्ट एड तक के विमान में आपकी देखभाल करेंगे। आपकी सेवा में उपस्थित हैं। हमें बेहद खुशी है कि आपको महान देश के साथ जोड़ सके। प्रस्तुत है आपके लिए इंडिया बाय इंडिगो। धन्यवाद। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड फ्लाइट 6E621. Indore is 1 hour 30 minutes away from soaring thousands of feet above the clouds. Our aviator today, Captain Milan, First Officer Karthik, Shreyansha, Sakshi, Shruti, and Amira Malik, cabin crew speak Hindi, English and Marathi. We are hosted specialist homemakers, globetrotters, and volunteers. So settle and enjoy, make your journey safe and comfortable. As travel companions, it's been wonderful to connect you with India by Indigo. Thank you.
आप अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और ऑक्सीजन का प्रवाह शुरू करने के लिए ऐसे अपनी ओर खींचें और नाक और मुंह ढककर सांस लेते रहें। दूसरों को फ्लाई फ्रीक्वेंटली। A safety instruction card is available in the seat pocket for your reference. Secure your seat belt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end to lift the buckle. It is recommended to keep your seat belt fastened at all times. In the event of a
Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad. Now our flight is flying through Maharashtra. It is, we'll be entering the Nagpur side. As you know, from Hyderabad, this Nagpur is very near, and from there the border to Madhya Pradesh is also very near. Hence, this is somewhere near the Akola Nagpur border, the entrance of Maharashtra. Just we took off just 25 minutes ago, and now we're almost entering Maharashtra now. Hardly it will take another 30 to 45 minutes to land at Devi Ahilyabai Holkar International Airport in Indore, and yeah, hopefully we'll enjoy more.
We delayed our departure by about 45 minutes out of Samshabad. After departure, we heading in a northerly direction towards Indore. Cruising altitude was 32,000 feet. Indore, we have crossed the name city of Nanded. Nagpur, and are presently about 250 kilometers short of Indore, for which we already commenced descent. Indore is a boiling point weather with light westerly winds and a temperature of 24 degrees centigrade. As of now, we expect to touch down will be at 2305 hours. That's about 40 minutes behind our schedule. This is a regret and inconvenience caused to you, however beyond the control of airline. And thank you for choosing to fly with Indigo. Given attendance, prepare arrivals, Indore temperature 24 degrees centigrade, touchdown time is 2305 hours. Thank you.
As you have heard, our captain.
For any personal belongings. Do remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please open the overhead bins carefully. Thank you for flying with Indigo. See you next time.
Finally, we have arrived in Indore. This is the city in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Written here. Devi Ahilyabai Indore. Here we are at the Devi Ahilyabai Holkar International Airport, Indore, the cleanest city of India, and India's cleanest city. And I'm here for you. A comfortable flight or shuttle is ready to take us to the arrival hall. Thank you. In the shuttle bus, we're going to the arrival hall now. It's a comfortable flight to Indore. Let's go. Devi Ahilyabai Holkar, whom the airport is named after, and she was one of the queen for the erstwhile Indore state in Madhya Pradesh.
In case of any assistance, please contact me.
We have an exit. Thank you very much for watching this vlog, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. And today is our first arrival in central India, that's Indore, the cleanest city of India. Thank you very much. I'm signing off. Goodbye. Take care. We'll meet in another vlog soon. Goodbye.